children, today we will see our fifth chapter, that is the solar system. The solar system is made up of sun and all the objects that moves around the sun, such as the eight planets and their satellites, the large numbers of asteroids, comets, meteors, and the heavenly bodies. All the planets are revolving around the sun. First, we will see about the sun. Sun is the center of the solar system. The planet and their moons revolve around the sun. The sun gives us heat and light, which is helping the plants and animals to live on the planet Earth. Sun is looking very small because it is far away from us. But in fact, the sun is so big as we can fit a millions of earth inside it. The sun is a great glowing ball of gases. In the middle of the sun, a process called nuclear fusion takes place, which changes hydrogen gas into helium gases. Now we will see about the planets. Planets are solid heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. In the solar system, there are 8 planets. According to their order of their position, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now we will see what is orbit. The path that a planet takes in its revolution is called its orbit. Now accordingly we will know about the planets. First we will see the planet Mercury, which is the closest planet to the sun. It moves completely around the sun every 88 Earth days, which is a day on Mercury lasts 59 days of our days. It does not have any satellite. It has very thin atmosphere, so life cannot be exist in this planet. This is very closest to sun, for that sometimes after the sun has set or just before the sunrise we can see the Mercury. Next we will see the second nearest planet, that is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It revolves around the sun once every 225 Earth days. Venus is the nearest planet to the Earth. This Venus is known as morning or evening star because we can see soon after sunset or sunrise to this planet. Venus does not have any satellite. Now we will see the third planet, that is Earth. Earth is the planet where life is possible. The third planet from the sun is Earth. So, as we know that Earth is the only one planet that supports life. It has an atmosphere of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Earth moves around the sun once every 365, 1/4 days of 1 year. Seen from the space, Earth looks like a giant ball. Land and water cover the surface and air surrounds the Earth. Earth has one natural satellite, that is called Moon. Just as Earth revolves around the Sun, the Moon revolves around the Earth. Now we will see the fourth planet, that is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It orbits around the Sun once every 687 Earth days. Mars has two natural satellites. Mars is red in color, so Mars is called the red planet. Thank you, children. You will underline all the important points and you will learn. Have a nice day.